this is like a knockoff GoPro, and I was like really excited to try it. I used it in Punta Cana as well when I was there like 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago now, and I actually haven't looked at any of the footage of it yet, so I really don't know, but it's just fun. I've never had like a water camera before, so this is cool to be able to show like this part of our vacation and the fun things that we do at the water park. So yeah, hopefully audio and everything is good, but this is our lazy river time. And everything is like so lush and green and pretty. They had it in black, white, which white might get dirty. Okay, so up here, here's the waterfall that we always try to avoid. Like, you have to try to go and angle yourself to the side because we don't want to get our hair wet. We're going to Epcot after this, but I'm like, we're not getting wet in this water park. We refuse to. We kind of have to go like, okay, we made it there. We did it. And then there's a second one up here. Oh no, gotta angle myself this way. Oh, okay, I got a little wet there. Not too bad, it will dry. Okay, so here's another waterfall, but this one, you have a lot of space to go around it, so it's not really a concern. But yeah, those ones over there are kind of difficult. But also, they're making a bunch of these cabanas that you can rent. We saw a bunch of them when we came in. This is kind of new for them. They've never really done this before. So here, this is like the fork in the road of the lazy river. You can go this way, which is kind of like the jump area for the water slide that they have over here. And then this way will take you around. And my mom was just saying, I don't think they've ever had these in the past, but they have these swing seats at the bar. That's really cute. See over there, that is like one of the main pool areas. They have a volleyball net and stuff, and it's really nice. It's one of those zero entry pools, so we kind of started off over there just chilling out and everything, and then it kind of will spill you out from the main pool into the lazy river here. There's my mom. Hi, my mom. Hello, Mama, we're back! Okay, we're recording. Hi, Mom! Having a good time? We're in the water. We're having a great time. This is like so relaxing. We've come here a couple times now, every time that we stay here, and it's just so peaceful. And the fact that it's like a smaller water park, and especially this lazy river, because it's like so lush and green, and yeah, we really like it. Hey, John. We successfully went through the waterfall again too without getting soaked. So that's good. So now it's starting to rain.
Now it's raining on us though.
We're saying our classic line. I'm not getting wet in this water park. And over there you can see they have like a kids splash and play area. going around a couple times and so relaxing. And I don't know if I filmed this part yet, where you go under this little bridge. And look at just the tropical flowers and everything. It's so lush and green and beautiful. And over here, there's actually bananas growing on this palm tree that you can see. I'm gonna try to point them out. They're right there, right there. Bananas. Pretty white flowers here. So then we came back here and we had a frozen pizza, which was delicious, and all got ready, kind of got changed. Now we are getting ready to head to Epcot. So it's been an amazing morning. And today is also Mother's Day, so it's gonna be really fun to go over to Epcot now and get to spend that special time with my mom and Mom. 3, 2, 1! Hello from Epcot! Very appropriate first ride in Epcot. We are using our Fast Pass for Spaceship Earth. Wow, there's no audio right now. We're saying things for the first time. Right? What is this ride? What's happening? We were in Egypt. Now there's these people on a boat. I'll narrate for you. Thank the Phoenicians. They invented the alphabet. This is actually really cool. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome did what? Rome burns. And the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think.